Craziest discoveries made by ordinary people. The oldest frozen caveman. On September 19, 1991, two German hikers stumbled upon a naked body of a deceased man around the Ötztal Alps. Scared by the scene, they immediately notified the police. It was a well-preserved body buried in ice for around 5,000 years. The mummified remains of the hunter are one of the oldest natural human mummies. The caveman's body is put on display in Italy's South Tyrol Museum of Archaeology. The Terracotta Army. In 1974, a Chinese farmer was digging a well near the city of Shen when he suddenly struck the head of a buried statue. He took the relic to a museum. On further excavations, the archaeologists discovered around 8,000 similar statues. It consisted of terracotta soldiers, chariots and horses, made for Emperor Qin Shi Huang's afterlife. Surprisingly, each soldier of this terracotta army has a unique face. The underground city of Turkey. In 1963, a man in the Cappadocia region, Turkey, decided to renovate his house. While knocking down one of the walls, he stumbled upon a mysterious room. He dug further, which led him to a vast and intricate tunnel system through the city. It was Derinkuyu, an underground metropolis built around the 12th or 15th century BC. It was used by the Hittites to hide people from enemy raids. The Sea Scrolls. One of the most significant discoveries of the 20th century was by a group of teenage herders. The boys had gone looking for a lost goat around the unexplored Qumran caves and stumbled upon a series of jars with ancient manuscripts. The Sea Scrolls were the earliest pieces of the Bible known to men. Not knowing their real value, the excited boys sold them to an antiquities dealer for about $50. Hoxne hoard. Eric Laws, an amateur British metal detectorist of Hoxne Village, was once helping his farmer friend Peter Wuttling find his lost hammer. His metal detector found a wooden box containing century-old valuable items. The collection inside includes 14,865 Roman gold coins, silver and bronze coins and 200 silver tableware and gold jewelry. The Hoxne hoard is now displayed at a British museum. Funnily, even the lost hammer is on display. The Action Comics number 1. A U.S. couple discovered one of the first copies of Action Comics number 1 while renovating their house in Hoffman, Minnesota. The copy dated June 1938 features the first appearance of the all-American comic book hero Superman. It used to be sold for 10 cents. It turned out to be an extremely rare find, and the couple sold the copy for a whopping $1 million at an auction. King Tut's tomb. Howard Carter, a British archaeologist, spent several unsuccessful years searching for King Tut's tomb in a valley in Egypt. His funding was to be cut off in a few months when his waterboy made a discovery. In November 1922, the bored waterboy started playing with a stick and stumbled upon a stone step. Carter dug there for 22 days and finally found the intact tomb of the 18th dynasty pharaoh Tutankhamun. The Golden Buddha statue. In 1935, a monastery in Thailand asked a few workers to shift a 700-year-old statue of Buddha made of plaster. While moving, a part of the plaster chipped off, and the workers saw a glimmer of gold. Soon, they tore off the remaining plaster and found a statue made of 5.5 tons of pure gold underneath. It is now the largest golden Buddha statue in the world. The Rosetta Stone. In 1799, Napoleon's soldiers were marching through Egypt. They decided to build a fort in the town of Rosetta by bringing down the remains of ancient walls. One of the soldiers found a strange stone slab with writing in 3 different languages. They took the stone to the Institut d'Egypte. The 3 languages, Greek, Demotic and Egyptian hieroglyphic, hold the key to understanding Egyptian scripts. An ancient Roman villa. Modern times have modern ways of discovering things, like the ordinary Italian man who found an ancient villa on Google Earth. He was looking at how his city looked from space when he noticed a strange 1,640 feet long oval shape surrounded by strange shadows. The man uploaded his discovery on his blog. He then contacted the local archaeologists who dug and found an entire ancient Roman villa.